because everything is horrible and sad, and because the answer to every terrible situation in life always seems to be yourself. I have no idea what that fucking means. Who is myself? Huh? Apparently there's like some awesome person deep down inside of me or something. Well, I have no idea who that guy is. I'm always faking it. Kinda looks to me like everyone else is faking it too. It's like everyone is acting out a stereotype of like exactly who you think they'd be. And I had one friend at class. This guy from Bangladesh who was really into sculpture. And he transferred to RISD at the end of freshman year. And my mom, like, actually, never mind.
I'm not stupid, Murray. I'm not an idiot, okay? I wouldn't have done this if I hadn't considered every possible move you might make. What I'd do if you did this or that? There are a multitude of scenarios playing in my mind. You know, if you're locked in a game of crazy chess, I'm 10 moves ahead. Your king is trapped. My queen is breathing down his neck. My knight is running him down like a pig. And my bishop? Well, my bishop is bashing his fucking brains in all over the chessboard. There's no way out. I left nothing to chance. Nothing. We documented the entire thing. From the very beginning, we planted evidence. Even though, well, most of it you practically gift wrapped actually, so maybe I should thank you. Because not only did you make things extremely easy, but also kinda entertaining in a goofy, bumbling, Three Stooges sort of way. It was like our little in-flight movie on our way to your money. We'll be landing there in just a few minutes.